Hello again, everybody. Jason from Trillium West here. Today you're at my newest listing, 107 Markwood Drive in Kitchener, Ontario. Less than 10 minutes away from downtown Kitchener, less than 10 minutes away from the highway, and about 5 minutes away from the boardwalk. Location really can't be beat. Let's get inside and take a look. As soon as you walk into the home, you're gonna love the main floor. You've got this beautiful galley kitchen in a wide open living, dining area that flows perfectly to your upper and lower main levels. Gotta love a backsplit. Something you're gonna love about this layout of home is that you've got 4 good-sized bedrooms and 2 full baths. Right now we're in the beautiful primary bedroom. We've got another bedroom next door and a full bath right across the hall. Now let's jump downstairs and take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. And now we're on the lower main level with another 2 good-sized bedrooms and another full bathroom. But that's not all. You thought 4 beds, 2 baths, and a beautiful main floor was a lot? Well, you've got a whole 4th finished level down here. Beautiful rec room, could be home gym, could be an office, could be a playroom, and you've also got your utilities quietly tucked away in an extra storage room up at the front. You really can't go wrong with stuff like this. Let's go check out the living room one more time. Thanks for stopping by my newest listing at 107 Markwood Drive in Kitchener. Again, I'm Jason Van Amersfoort from Trillium West. Give me a shout if you have any questions at all.